Well, time to deal with the rusty fuel tank. So this Virago is 92, and so it has a top tank, and on the earlier models it just had a dummy tank and a lower tank. So this one's got the top tank and the lower tank. The lower tank's absolutely fine, top one's as rusty as hell, and I have tried to seal it. I acid cleaned it inside, and I sealed it from the inside, I fibreglassed it from the outside, but I'm not happy with it, so I'm gonna just discard this tank. Got a new one. I paid £62 for this one, I think. So I just need to take the decals off and spray it up, but it looks good inside. It's ooh, can't see that, can we? Hang on. There's just some spot rusting in there, but nothing unusual, and certainly nothing like there was inside my original tank. But what I'll do is the fuel filler cap I'll swap over, so I've got the same key for the ignition, and of course I've already sprayed the other one. But this is all good, so I'll it's got a good free key action, so I'll sell this one on eBay. But I'll just chuck the old tank away. And you see, when you look underneath here, that's pretty. I mean, there's literally nothing wrong with it at all, really. It's all good. God, this feels really heavy compared to that one. Do you know why? It's because it's got so much filler and everything in it, as in what do you call it? Just sealer. It's got a ton of sealer in there and all the fiberglassing and everything, and it feels so much heavier. Anyway, this one, what I did is I just used some Rust Effect paint, which I put on probably about 3 years ago, and you can just see it's all flaking off, but that's fine. That's exactly what I wanted. I wanted that terrible ratty look to it, but I painted it straight over the top of the original, well, say original paint. It had a paint job when I bought the bike, but even that rust was coming through, so but I didn't take the paint off. I just painted straight over it. But with this other tank, I'm gonna paint strip it first and prime it and then spray it, because I don't mind it all flaking off and looking worse, but at the same time, you know, it's got to look genuine rat, not just terrible paint job. Anyway, you know what I mean. God, yes, so much lighter. Anyway, that's where I'm at with it. I'm just showing you that, and I'm going to get started on stripping the paint off. Yeah, it's all good. Well, I've put the tank back on the bike, so I've not painted it yet because I haven't got any paint, so it shall stay like that for the time being. And I think the next job is just to tear down the old tank, have a look at the inside. But I'm quite chuffed with the way this has come out, so yeah, looks nice, I think.